Hi there. So, working with brands in PR looks straightforward from the outside. You get a story, you pitch it, and it gets picked up. But there's actually a lot happening behind the scenes that most people never see. So, today I'll walk you through some of the things PR professionals wish brands understood before they start working with media, journalists, and campaigns. Now, first up, it's not just about getting coverage. A lot of people think PR is just about getting a mention in the media, but that's only a part of it. Good PR is about positioning, timing, and shaping a story in a way that feels relevant to a publication's audience. If a story doesn't fit the angle the journalist is looking for, even strong brands can get ignored. Then journalists don't care about your brand first. Now, this is a big one, even though it sounds a bit harsh. PR professionals know that journalists are not looking for brand promotion. They're looking for stories that are useful, timing, or interesting to their readers. That means that your brand usually has to sit behind or inside a bigger story, not be the story itself. Then timing can make or break a pitch. Even a great story can fail if it's sent at the wrong time. Journalists work on trends, news cycles, seasonal relevance, and deadlines, and PR professionals have to align with that rhythm. A strong pitch in March might be ignored if it only made sense in January. Then, not every big win needs to be pitched. Brands often want everything they do to be pushed to the media, but PR pros have to be selective. Some wins are better for social media, internal communications, or newsletters rather than press coverage. Over pitching can actually hurt credibility with journalists over time. Then relationships matter more than one-off hits. One published article is nice, but long-term PR success comes from relationships with journalists. PR professionals often prioritize being reliable, helpful, and responsive over chasing quick placements. That consistency is what leads to repeat coverage. Then lastly, the angle is everything. The same brand story can get ignored or published depending on how it's framed. PR professionals spend a lot of time shaping the angle so that it fits what publication actually or what publications actually want to cover. It's less about what the brand is doing and more about why anyone should care about it right now. So, working with brands in PR is less about pushing stories out and more about shaping them so they actually fit the media landscape. The better you understand how journalists think, the better your chances of getting consistent, meaningful coverage, not just occasional wins.